Hello friends, so here today we'll discuss the difference between refrigeration and air conditioning. In many of the books and students mind it is confusion that refrigeration and air conditioning both are same, but both are not same. There is a difference between these two, even though both are indirect heat engines. So what is direct heat engine and indirect heat engine we discussed in the previous video lectures. You can click this link, you can understand what is direct and indirect. Now here we will understand the difference between these two. Okay, refrigeration and air conditioning. Refrigeration is a process of cooling the system and maintaining the temperature of the system below the surrounding. For now I will consider one system. This is a system and this is surrounding. Anything outside of the system is called surrounding. The surrounding temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. I need to maintain or reduce the temperature. For example, initially the temperature of the system is 30 degrees Celsius initially. Okay, so I need to reduce the temperature of the system 30 degrees Celsius to 25, and I need to maintain the same. So 25 degrees Celsius is the temperature I need to maintain, less than the surrounding. So refrigeration is a process of maintaining or reducing the temperature of the system below the surrounding. That process is called refrigeration. Air conditioning is also almost same definition. Again a system. Here air conditioning is a process which reduces and maintain the temperature of the system below the surrounding. Here the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of the system is reduced below 40 and maintain the same, that is 30 or 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, that is also air conditioning. Then by the definition it represents that both are same. This is also reducing the temperature and maintaining below surrounding temperature. This is also reducing the temperature of the system and maintaining that below the surrounding. Then what is the difference? Exactly the difference between these two cycles is, and now answer is for this question. In the air conditioning systems there are two chances. You can reduce the temperature of the system below the surrounding. That is possible. You can reduce temperature of system, reduce the temperature of system below surrounding temperature, or there is a possibility of increase temperature of system, or increase and maintain the temperature of the system above surrounding temperature. That is the reason you might have studied summer air conditioning systems, winter air conditioning systems, and we studied these two processes in psychrometry. Okay, so your summer air conditioning system, so you will reduce the temperature of the system below the surrounding, that is with help of cooling and dehumidification. But in the winter air conditioning in the Canada side, UK, and the temperature of the atmosphere itself is 3 degree and 2 degrees Celsius. Those areas you can increase the temperature of the room or the system above the surrounding. In the winter air conditioning, it is with the help of heating and humidification. Summer air conditioning you can do with the help of cooling and dehumidification. Process. So these two processes we studied in psychrometry. That is one difference between refrigeration and air conditioning. And there is no chances of summer air refrigeration, winter air conditioning like that. Understood? Always the refrigeration system maintains the temperature below the surrounding, reduce the temperature and maintain below the surrounding temperature. That is refrigeration. But in the air conditioning system, it will reduce the temperature of the system below the surrounding, as well as possibility of increase the temperature of the system above the surrounding. And these two cases will be used in air conditioning, summer air conditioning, winter air conditioning. Okay, that is first difference. And the second difference is, okay, here in the air conditioning systems we will control the quality of the steam, quality of the air. In the air conditioning system we will control quality of air, but we cannot control the quality of air in the refrigeration system. That is also one major difference. So controlling the quality of air itself is humidification and dehumidification. These two processes we discussed briefly in the previous video lecture, psychrometry. So addition of moisture is humidification, removal of moisture is dehumidification. So addition and removal of moisture itself is quality of air. That is a part of air conditioning. So quality of air will not be considered in the refrigeration system. Here it is only, as I told you before, it is only maintain the temperature of the system below the surrounding itself. Okay, that is the one. And the third major difference between refrigeration and air conditioning is, and here it is human comfort. Human comfort. Okay, but here it is not perfect for human comfort. There will be some odor smell. That is the reason in a kitchen room, in the refrigeration, we might have seen some odor smell. But in the air conditioning, there is no chances of that such situations. That is, it is human comfort. Quality of the air also controlled. And here in the air conditioning, we can maintain the temperature of the system below the surrounding, as well as we can increase the temperature of the system above the surrounding. Okay, so this is the difference between refrigeration and air conditioning.